Guys, sorry, I was disturbed by the call. My foot was tired and dirty and like smelly, of course. Sorry, wallet, for leaving you open. Jericho will come here again. That's why I'm waiting here and I'll make a call. Okay. That's my attire for the day. You feel it, right? The clouds are darkening out now. The gym is full of performances, full of noisiness, thanks to Ram Escutin. Yeah. I just avoid being spotted because the CCTVs are everywhere. Okay, ito kay Francis. Pinches ito na sa live here. Have a nice special gabos. Cut the highlight here.